Unagi sushi. Let's start making unagi sushi. For our unagi sauce, heat a pot to a low-medium temperature. Add in 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of mirin. For tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir. One-4 teaspoon of hondashi powder. 2 tablespoons of sake. Stir. Bring to a low boil. Stir. Turn off heat when it starts to boil. Let it cool down and set aside. We'll be using 2 cups of cooked brown rice. Add in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. Mix well. Set aside for later. We're using canned eel for this recipe. Transfer to a plate. Apply unagi sauce on the eel. Microwave for 30 to 60 seconds. Cut eel in half. Use 1 tablespoon of rice and form into an oblong shape. Press down on top of the rice with 1 or 2 fingers. Place eel on top of rice. Lightly press to secure. Wrap a strip of nori around the rice. Apply unagi sauce. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Time to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.